Hi everyone. So our today's topic is how you find the real you. We spend our whole life struggling to find who we are and where we are leading. This trauma leads us toward frustration, discomfort, anxiety, and dissatisfaction in our personal and professional life. Happy people always considered to be more optimistic, flexible, and social in nature. Every person wants to spend their life in their own ways. Sometimes we are so confused with our life, looking for answers like these. Do I really need this job? Am I satisfied with my life? What I am actually looking for? These confound thoughts lead us to nowhere, and this battle continues for years till the time we really able to find ourselves. So firstly, what we can do is, first you need to identify what makes you happy in your life. Take a page and write 5 things you love to do, 5 things you are currently doing which you don't like, and 5 things which you are passionate about and wants to do in your future. This activity will help you getting familiar with your hidden interest and all those things you are passionate about, and for those you need to cut down from your life. Second thing is your comfort zone. Sometime in our life we keeps on doing things which we don't like because we don't want to come out from our comfort zone. We remain in the same state for years. This approach will not going to change your life anymore. You need to take initiative and you need to accept the change to leave that comfort zone. Doing the same job for the years and spending the same kind of life on one location, you will make yourself extinct. Then what you can do is understand types of personality you are. There are many hidden talents and interests which we never discover in the sea of treasure which we have within ourselves. You need to explore your personality type and discover the hidden artist, the creative side of your personality. Find out the things you are good at, whether it's art, music, photography, content writing, or anything that makes you happy. All those things you really love doing in your life and you never get a chance to execute, it's time for a new start. Next thing which you can do is count your habits. Take a paper, draw a line in the center. On the right side, list down all the good habits you are keeping, and on the left side, list down all the bad habits you really want to get rid of from your life. It's time to change your habits from sleeping habits to eating habits, which will lead you towards healthy and happy life. You need to be flexible to avoid all bad habits and you keep on doing on it on a daily basis. It's time to change your habits, otherwise your habits will change. Now what you can do is you need to find out, is your job fun? There are many things in your life which you keep on doing but you never feel any charm and any fun element that can be your job or any task which you supposed to perform on a daily basis. Try to take out time from your busy schedule for your own self and make this your fun time. You can utilize your fun time by creating music lyrics, painting, reading, writing, or traveling. And this fun time job will be your ideal time of your life which you going to spend by doing those things you really love to do. Next thing which you can do is you need to trust yourself. Believing in yourself will be the first thing that will help you out to come out from your comfort zone, and that will lead you towards your first step. Fear of losing what you currently have will only stop you for taking initiative in your life. You need to have strong faith on yourself and your abilities. If you have a passion of doing something, nobody can stop you leading towards your goal. Build confidence and trust yourself because you are the master of your destiny. The next thing which you can do is you need to travel to explore. Travel is the only way you can learn and you can explore more in your life, and you will see what tiny place you occupy in the world. Traveling always forces you to come out from your comfort zone, and it helps you to build a confidence, improve your planning, organizing and time management skills. Traveling gives you the chance to invest on yourself and allow you to see and experience totally different new world. It also makes you learn to deal with uncertainty and unexpected events in your life. The next thing which you can do is you need to nurture your soul. It's time to think differently and start nurturing your soul, because it will going to improve the quality of your life. You need to keep away from your negativity and try to avoid all negative vibes and spend positive vibes everywhere with your positive attitude. Stay close to the nature, start indulging in those activities which keeps you relaxed and happy. The more you nurture your soul, the happier you will going to feel, and you become the lover of your life. Next thing which you can do is you need to relax your mind and you need to pamper your body. In order to have a peaceful life, you need to have a peaceful mind. Every person wants to stress-free life which is away from all kind of worries. Take time to meditate, walk, yoga, exercise, and always live close to the nature. Do something new every day and give time to yourself. Relax your mind by going on vacations on a favorite spot, play with the kids, listen to the music, watch a comedy movie, and pamper your body by soaking into a bubble bath. Invest your time on yourself, embrace the beauty and strength of your body. Last thing which you can do is awake the real you. It's you who can change the world. Nobody can do it for you. You need to take initiative and try to answer these questions. What actually is stopping you? What's really important to you? Do you choose comfort over happiness? If you will be able to find your true self, it will lead you toward the life you were dreaming. But for that, you need to face your fears. Don't dwell into the past. Be optimistic and find every reason to celebrate. So this is all about today's topic. Now we will come up with some new topic in the next video.